Finding missing angles on a straight line. You've just seen a video in which it was explained that the angle on a straight line is always 180 degrees. So let's look at this first box here. It says the angles on a straight line add up to, so I'm going to put in there 180, and then that little circle there, that means that that is 180 degrees. And what we have here is we have a selection of 16 problems. Well, one of them we've just done, so 15, where you have a straight line and you have to work out the missing unlabeled one. So here's how we're going to do it. You're going to do the number 2, press pause, and then we'll do it together and we'll carry on like that. I'm going to do my calculations on this side here so that you can see. So let's start off with number 2. Please press pause. Okay, for number 2, you can see that we have a straight line and we have here, this side is 90 degrees. So what we need to do is 180 take away 90. Now, lots of you will just know this anyway, will know what that is. But for those of you that don't, 0 take away 0, 0, that's 18. 18 take away 9, so it's actually 90 as well, right? Because 90 add 90 is 180, in the same way that 9 add 9 is 18. When we see this little square, that is called a right angle, which is always 90 degrees. Okay, let's look at number 3. Press pause, then we'll do it together. Okay, for number 3, you have got a missing angle and then you've got 136 degrees. So all we're going to do is we're going to do 180 because we know that all of this is 180. So if we do 180 take away 136, that will give us the missing angle. 0 take away 6, we can't do that. Let's cross that out. So 10 take away 6 is 4. 7 take away 3 is 4. And 1 take away 1 is 0. So the missing angle is 44 degrees. Don't forget the circle at the top for degrees. The next one, this says, in case you can't see it on your screen, 81 degrees. So have a go at that. Okay, so we're looking at what 180 take away 81 is. Now, some people will have spotted straight away that that's going to be 99. If you didn't spot that, you can just do the column method. 10 take away 1 is 9. 7 take away 8, we can't do that. 17 take away 8 is 9. So the missing angle is 99 degrees. Don't forget the degree symbol, the little circle. Next up, for number 5, it's exactly the same except the straight line is facing downwards. So all of that there is 180. Press pause, then have a go. Okay, 180 take away 124. We can't do 0 subtract 4, so that becomes 7. 10 subtract 4 is 6. 7 subtract 2 is 5. 1 subtract 1 is 0. So the missing angle is 56 degrees. Have a go at number 6. Press pause, then we'll do it together. Okay, so for this one, you have 180 subtract 99. So 0 take away 9 we can't do. 10 take away 1. 10 take away 9 is 1. 17 take away 1 we can't do. So instead we're going to do 17 take away 9, which is 8. And that's 81. Now, you might have already spotted that that is the same as number 4, except it's the other way around. They've done 99 this time. Okay, so number 7. We have got 180, so press pause if you haven't done that already. 180 subtract 51. We can't do 0 take away 1, so that becomes 7. 10 take away 1 is 9. 7 take away 5 is 2. and then that, so it's 129 degrees. Okay, the next one. This one is slightly different. We've got 29 degrees and we've got 46 degrees. And we need to find this missing angle in the middle. Now, there's a couple of ways we could do it. We could do 180, take away 46, take away 29. That would work. Or we could add those two together. We could do 46, add 29, and then we could take it away from 180. I'm going to do that way. I'm going to go 46. By the way, if you should only be watching this if you've had a go. If not, press pause. 46 add 29. So 9 add 6 is 13. No, it's not. 9 add 6 is 15. Carry the 1. 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 75, right? So we've got here 75. These two equal 75. Now, if we do 180, take away 75, some of you will have seen straight away that it's 105. If not, do that. So that is 105 degrees. The next one is exactly the same kind of thing. Number 9. It's giving you two of the angles. So you can either add them together, take them from 180, or do 180 and take each one away. Press pause, have a go yourself. Okay, number 9. 81 add 27. So 7 add 1 is 8. 8 add 2 is 10. So it's 108. These two here are 108. So now we need to do 180 take away 108. We can't do 0 take away 8, so this is 7. 10 take away 8 is 2. 7 take away 0 is 7. And 1 take away 1 is 0. So the missing angle is 72 degrees. Have a go then at doing the next few together. Do 10 and 11 and then we'll go through them together. So press pause. Okay, so for number 10, 42 add 124. 4 add 2 is 6. 4 add 2 is 6. So these two angles are 166. So we're going to now do 180. I'm going to change colour so you can see that a bit better. 180 take away 166. 0 take away 6, can't do it, so that's 7. 10 take away 6 is 4. 7 take away 6 is 1. So it's 14 degrees. Okay, the next one, so you should have done, this is number 11. 78 add 70. So 8 add 0 is 8, 7 add 7 is, so that's 148. So now we're going to do 180 take away 148. 0 take away 8 we can't do, so that becomes a 7, that's 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 7 take away 4 is 3. 1 take away 1 is 0. So that missing angle is 32 degrees. On number 12, you can see you are given an angle of 30 and then the other angle has that square. Now, if you remember, if you were listening to that first video and what I just said, the square is telling you it's 90 degrees. That always means that. Now we know two of them. So 90 add 30 is 120. 180 take away 120. You can do the column method, but it is in fact 60 degrees. So 90 add 30, 120, 180 take away 120, 60. Okay, we're now moving on to one where you have 3 angles given for 13 and 14 and 15 as well. So have a go at 13, 14 and 15 and then we'll go through the answers together. So 13, 28, add 49, add 30. So 9 add 8 is 17. 3 add 4 is 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 107. That's what those 3 angles equal. So now we're going to do 180, take away 107. 0 subtract 7 we can't do, so it becomes 10. 10 take away 7 is 3. 7 take away 0 is 7, and 1 take away 1 is 0. So for this one, have I done that right? 28, 49, 30, yeah. That's 73 degrees. And we're going to do the same thing now for 14. Okay. 30. We get given 3 angles. 30 add 27 add 20. So that's 7. And then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 77. So it's 180. Take away 77. Now, some of you will have worked out already what it is mentally. For those people that still need the column method, I've made that into 10. So it's 103, because 103 add 77 is 180 degrees. Don't forget that degree symbol. Number 15. So we've got a right angle again, because you can see that from the square. So we know that this is 90 degrees. So I'm going to do 90, add 34, add 31. That's 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 155. So 180, take away 155. So 5, 2, so it's 25 degrees. Okay, so the last one is a little bit different. See if you can figure it out for yourself. Press pause. Okay, so we know this square is 90 degrees. That means all of here is 90 degrees as well. But look, it's split exactly in 2. So we need to do 90 divided by 2. And those of you who remember will know this by heart, some of you, that 1/2 of 90 equals 45 degrees. Or you could do 90 and you could do the bus stop method. So each of those angles there is 45. So that is how you find the missing angles on a straight line. Thank you for taking part in this lesson. If you think I've done something wrong, let me know. If you don't understand something, check it through first, then let me know. And tomorrow we will be continuing with missing angles, but this time we'll do it where it's in a full turn of 360. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.